Welcome to this CAT4MBA Unacademy channel of YouTube. My name is Ronak Shah, and in this session we are going to practice plenty of questions based on SNAP CET and MAT paper pattern. So as you know that this is the time for weekly quiz. So I'm going to give you some questions from this previous year papers, from mainly arithmetic area. So that is the objective of our today's session. Okay, now before I go ahead, let me quickly just give you a brief about myself in case if you are attending my session for the first time. So I've completed my MBA. I'm also an engineer and I have more than 12 years of training experience. I personally appeared for CAT 5 times and I've scored well over there as well. Not only myself, we have the best of the educators on this particular channel, that is Unacademy CAT4MBA. So in case if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it quickly so that you can enjoy all our live session and you can have perfect preparation for all your MBA entrance exams. Talking about the agenda, so this is what we are going to discuss. We are going to practice QA questions. There will be one set of DI as well, and we'll also practice some questions from miscellaneous topics. So once again, in case if you haven't subscribed to our channel, quickly do it, and you can also be part of our Telegram channel, which is CAT4MBA. And if you want to go for subscription, I'll suggest which you should go so that you can get access to our mock test series, and you can also get access to leaderboard, and you can get personal attention from faculty. So these are the plans. You can go for either 3 months plan or 6 months plan, 12 months, and so on and so forth, right? In case if you don't want to shell out so much, you can go for this 3 months plan, and these are the pricings over here. In fact, if you use my referral code, which is SHAH10, you will get additional 10% waiver over there. So guys, let's crack it. So let's begin with the questions. As I mentioned, in this session we are going to practice questions. So here is the first question. Please quickly tell me what is the answer for this question. Everyone, please try for this. Yeah, hi, Robin, Akash, Dia, Sakshi, good afternoon all of you. So in this session, I'm going to give you some 15-17 questions which you need to quickly answer, and then if required, I'll give you the inputs for that, because we have already understood the concepts, right? So the objective is to quickly solve questions. So please solve this question and type the answer in the chat box. Okay, guys, am I audible, everyone? In case if you want, you can just refresh your page, so then you will be able to clearly see that. Yeah, so try to answer this question. Tell me the answer, write it in the chat box quickly. Am I audible, guys? If everything is fine, quickly show me a thumbs up. So there are 3 localities, A, B, and C. The population of these 3 localities are this one. If you observe, the complete data is in percentage and ratio. Straight away assume the values. You don't need to bring X and Y over here. Assume the values. So number of people are 90, 80, and 30. This is the best way. 80% of locality A are literate. So 80% of this is 72, 30% over here. So this will come out to be 24, and 90% of locality C are literate. So I'm just writing literate people. These are the total number of people in this locality. These are the literate people. So 90% of this one is 27, right? Okay. So if you just calculate, this is 200. Out of this is 123. So it's nothing but 61.5%, right? So we need to find out the percentage literacy in the town. So it is 61.5%, guys. Right, this was a very simple question. Normally students solve this question in 30 seconds time. So this is what you need to try to do, everyone. Okay, yeah, Robin, Dia, Akash, Sakshi, have you all understood? Yeah, Dia, I didn't get your question. Come again. Daily homework questions. Okay, fine. Yeah, so daily homework question, right? I'm figuring it out. So there is the lecture note sheet. In that we have created a column for practice questions, so I'll be giving it to you. Just wait for some time, maybe 3-4 more days, and you will get it. Yeah, but weighted average will also do, correct? So weighted average would also do in a way. Okay, so ultimately it will come out to be the same, because in fact it will get into so much of decimals if you go by weighted average. So 9 into 80 or 9 into 0.8, 8 into 0.3, something like that. That will make things complicated, and then you will have to find out percentage. So that's why you can't use weighted average, by the way. Here we need to find out percentage, right? So finding percentage will be difficult. So that's why I'll not suggest to go by weighted average. Okay guys, try for this one. Chalo, quickly. This is a good question. It's a tough question, slightly difficult question. So Sudhir, a very clever businessman, started off a business with very little capital. In the first year, he earned a profit of 50% and donated 50% of the total capital. So he's not only a good businessman, he's also a generous businessman. Isn't that? To a charitable organization. The same course was followed in the second year and third year also. If at the end of 3 years, he is left with 33750, then find the amount donated by him at the end of the second year. Oh, just a moment. Guys, there is a mistake here. It's illiterate, so make it literate. Right, let's make it literate. So now it will be this one. I mean, you can figure out the answer would have been different. Correct, guys, I missed this part. So instead of it illiterate, now let's consider literate, so you will get this answer. Okay, I think if you had considered this as illiterate, that means 70% is literate, so I think it would have been 78%. That's correct. Oh, good. Everyone, 78 will be the correct answer if you take illiterate, or if I just erase this part, so then it will come out to be this one. Are we clear? Right, sure. Let's try for this one. So try for this one, everyone. I want you to figure out answer, right? For the previous question, yes, if we consider that as illiterate, then answer will be 78%. But I just corrected that because we had already solved the question. So we are saying 30% are literate. So answer will be 61.5. Yeah, lol. Okay guys, try for this question. Chalo, jaldi se tell me the answer. Type the answer in the chat box. You need to find out the amount donated by him at the end of second year. This is what you need to find out. Who will get me the answer for this question? Guys, it's a good question. I mean, you can be asked this question even in CAT and other entrance exams. So the one way is, I mean, you can assume that he started with 100x, okay, and then after first year, so at the end of first year, the amount is increasing by 50% because he got profit, and then he's donating 50%, so it got reduced by 50%. So the effective percentage change will be 25% reduction. Guys, करके देखो, आपको पता है 50% increase, 50% decrease. It's always 50 square upon 100% decrease. Remember this point. When you increase a value by x% and successively decrease it by x%, the net change will be x square upon 100% decrease. Remember this part. Okay, so here the value will reduce by 25%, and at the end of second year also it will again be reduced by 25%, and at the third year also it will again be reduced by 25%. If I want to reduce something by 25%, what is the multiplying factor? We have already discussed that in the basics of maths. It's 0.75. The multiplying factor is 0.75, correct? Or you can say 3/4. So same way, this is also getting multiplied by 3/4. This is also getting multiplied by 3/4, right? Okay, so now what will be my final answer? So let me just write it over here. The equation will become something like this: 100x into, it is every time it is getting reduced by 3/4. So I'll say 3/4 ka cube, which is equal to this 33750. This 100x is getting multiplied by 3/4 every time for 3 years. So that's why I've written this way. So if I simplify this, this will come out to be x is equal to, now let's straight away cancel off the 0, 3375 into 4 cube divide by 10 into 3 cube. Now guys, please understand, if you're good at cubes, when we reduce by 25%, the amount gets multiplied by 0.75, it becomes 75%. So the multiplying factor for the reduction of 25% is 0.75, or you can say 3 by 4. Please remember this thing. Yeah, hi Dhriti. So leftover is 3/4, correct. So I'm writing leftover part. Reduction part is 25%, so leftover part is 75%, correct. Now guys, please understand, this is nothing but 15 cube. Okay, so 15 cube is nothing but 5 cube into 3 cube. So this will get cancelled off. This 3 cube and 3 cube will get cancelled off. You'll be getting 5 cube. So 5 cube into 4 cube, it's nothing but 8,000. Yeah, 5 cube into 4 cube is nothing but 8,000. Divide by 10, it's 800. So x will come out to be 800. So what is our amount? 100 into 800, that is 80,000 was the initial amount. 80,000 was the initial amount. Okay. Now guys, now understand this part. No one has given me the correct answer as of now. So I think I need to explain this. He started with this 80,000. Let me just write here. He started with this 80,000. At the end of first year, the amount will reduce by 25%. So at the end of first year, this will become 60,000. Now at the at the end of second year, he is getting a profit of 50%. So increase this by 50%. So it will come out to be 90,000. And then he is donating 50% of this 90,000. So what is 50% of this 90,000? It is 45,000. That's the answer. So have you all understood this? Everyone? The answer is 45,000. So once again, if I want to explain you the complete thing, once again, the first point that you should remember is this thing. If you increase a value by X percentage and subsequently decrease it by X percentage, net percentage change will be X square upon 100 percentages, right? And then we started with 100X. So if I subsequently at the end of first year, I'm increasing and decreasing by 50%. So ultimately it will reduce by 25%, then further 25%, and then further 25%. Okay, because 50% increase and 50% decrease is equivalent to 25% reduction. So when you want to reduce something by 25%, you need to multiply this one by 3/4. So it's like 3/4 ka cube, which is given as 33750. When we solve this thing, we'll get x as 800. So amount will be 80,000. So initial capital came out to be 80,000. And then at the end of first year, reduce it by 25%. So now it will become 60,000, right? And then again 60,000 at the end of second year, you are increasing by 50%. So it will come out to be 90,000. And then you are donating 50% of this 90,000. That's your answer. So that's why it came out to be 45,000. Guys, are we all clear with this now? Yes, great. So let's go ahead and try for one more question. So a project report consists of 25 pages. Please try for this thing. Tell me the answer. Chalo, jaldi se. And I'll show you a shortcut for this. But first, try on your own. Let's see what will be the answer if you go by normal method. Guys, what's the answer? Quickly tell me. Your time is up because you should have not taken more than 45 seconds for this question. It should be solved in 45 seconds. So let me just write down over here pages, lines and characters. Okay. So there are 25 pages. No, it's not D. Akash, it's not D. Dhriti is also saying it's D. No. So what is the percentage change in the number of pages? Okay, let's understand, guys. Let's understand this. Lines are 60 and characters are 75. In case the number of lines is reduced to 55, so we are making it 55. Yeah, Sakshi, that's correct. It's option C. Now let's understand how to quickly do it, guys. So can I say 60 to 55? When I make a number 60 to 55, by which number am I multiplying it? So please understand this part. When you make a number, when you make A to B, you are actually multiplying by B by A. Remember this part. So here 55 by 60, which is nothing but you are multiplying by 11 by 12. So this has become 11 by 12th of the previous. So number of lines has become 11 by 12th of previous. Okay, number of chapters, but the number of characters, okay, these are characters, are 90 per line. So this is becoming 90. So 75 to 90, can I say it has become 6 by 5th of the previous one? 90 upon 75 karo kitna aega? What is 90 upon 75? It's 6/5. Correct. So now please understand what is the total change over here. So 11 by 12th into 6 by 5th. So if I solve this thing, this will come out to be 11 by 10th. So can I say lines and this characters cumulatively becoming 11 by 10th? So I can make this one by 10 by 11. To cancel this off, I'll have to multiply by 10 by 11. So number of pages should become 10/11th of previous number of pages. So earlier it was 25. So now it should be 25 into this 10 by 11. So can I say when you are making something 10 by 11, that means you are reducing by 1/11th. When you are making something 10 by 11th of previous value, that means you are reducing by 1 by 11, and 1 by 11 is nothing but 9.09%. Everyone, it is 9.09%. Don't solve completely, guys. Just focus on this part. Quickly find out the multiplying factors. Okay, so first multiplying factor was 11 by 12. The second multiplying factor was 6 by 5. So the net multiplying factor came out to be 10 by 11. 11 by 10. So to cancel it off, we'll have to multiply by 10 by 11. So if something becomes 10 by 11, that means it is getting reduced by 1 by 11, and 1 by 11 is equivalent to 9.09%. Have you all understood this one? Do you think this was easy, guys? But traditional method 25 minus 250 by 11. What have you written? 25 minus 250 by 11? No, that is not the traditional method. The conventional method would have been, something is wrong, Dhriti, what you have written in that. The traditional method would have been the total number of characters is nothing but pages into lines into characters should be same in both the cases. Pages into lines into characters. Now you know this one, you don't know pages over here, so you will get value for pages and then you check for the percentage reduction. That will become too complicated, trust me, because you are multiplying all these values, then further you are dividing it by that, right? Instead you can quickly figure out what is the multiplying factors. So first multiplying factor was 11 by 12, second 6 by 5. The net multiplying factor came out to be 11 by 10. So to cancel it off, you will have to multiply by 10 by 11. That means reducing by 1 by 11. That means 9.09%. Fine. Okay, so let's go ahead. Fine, guys. So try for this. Tell me the answer. Everyone. Again, you can use two approaches. First one is a normal approach and then the shortcut. Yes, exactly. No, see, Dhriti, your calculation is incorrect. 25 pages was old, and yeah, correct. Okay, fine. Sorry. 250 by 11 is a new. Now you will have to find out percentage change in that. Isn't that complicated finding the percentage change over there? But the same thing, if you write it this way, Dhriti, just coming back to your point, in the previous question, someone has this query. I'm just writing it here. 25 to it is becoming 250 by 11. Right? Instead of solving it this way, 250 by 11 minus 25 upon 25 into 100, you can think it this way. 25 is becoming 25 into 10 by 11. That means it is getting reduced by 1 by 11. Isn't that simple? 25 is becoming 25 into 10 by 11. That is, it is getting reduced by 1 by 11. That is 9.09%. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead, guys. Now please solve this one, guys. Please put that question aside and you can try for that later on. Okay. Find the increased price of rice per kilogram. Increased price का है दिया? Yeah. So answer option B is correct. Now guys, the normal method could have been due to 25% hike in price per kilogram, a person is able to purchase 5 kg less. So either you can do it this way, expenditure is equal to price into consumption. What is expenditure? 200. Let's assume price was X rupees per kg. So rupees X per kg. Okay. And suppose he was purchasing N kg. Okay. Now, due to the 25% hike in price per kilogram, a person is able to purchase 5 kg less. So again, you will have to create another equation. Now 2500 is equal to 25% hike in price, matlab it has become 1.25x. So he is able to purchase 5 kg less. So this should be n minus 5 kg. Solve all these things and you will get your value. But that's too complicated. Don't do it this way. Instead of this one, let's look at the shortcut. Everyone, now pay attention. Do not miss out this point. We know expenditure is equal to price into consumption. First point. Yes or no? Your prices are going up by 25%. In the basics of maths, I had given you that increase decrease percentage pairs. 100% increase will get cancelled off by 25% decrease. 50% decrease. Oh my, what's happening? 50% decrease. Same way, 50% increase will get cancelled off by 33.33% decrease. Right. Same way, 33.33% increase will get cancelled off by 25% decrease, and so on and so forth. So 25% increase will get cancelled off by 20% decrease. Please remember this pair of values in case if you haven't attended that session. So 25% increase, if you want to keep the expenditure same 200. So this 25% increase has to be cancelled off by 20% decrease. Matlab we need to reduce our consumption by 20%. Here we are saying that we are reducing by 5 kg. So can I say 20% of consumption is 5 kg? So 100% consumption. I'm talking about consumption. And 100% consumption will come out to be 25 kg. Yes or no? So that means in 200 rupees earlier, I used to purchase 25 kg, right? And now I am purchasing 20 kg. So my current price will be 10 rupees. So current price will come out to be 200 divided by 20. That is 10 rupees per kg. By looking at this one, you can make out, see, if I am writing the exam, I'll do this complete question in my mind. 25% increase, so 20% decrease. 20% is 5 kg, so 100% is 25 kg. Correct. Now earlier I used to purchase 25 kg, so now I am purchasing 20 kg in this 200 rupees. Okay, so per kg price now is 10 rupees per kg. Have you all understood this, everyone? Are you all okay with this? Then let's go ahead. Okay, so guys, once again, these are my class timings. These are the timings on which I take sessions on YouTube as well as on this Unacademy platform. If you have downloaded Unacademy app, then you can find me by this name and you can follow me over there so that you can attend my daily 5 to 6 p.m. sessions over there. Okay, and YouTube, of course, I'm taking session every day 2 to 3 p.m. and 9 to 10 p.m. So please do not miss this session. Also share my profile and this channel link with your friends. Put it on Facebook so that others can also attend. Okay, fine. So yeah, guys, I really need your strong support, because unless we have plenty of users, will not be able to continue the channel. So you will have to support us. You will have to spread awareness among students. Okay, so I'm sure each of you is connected with at least 100 students. Whether you are from engineering, then you will have your WhatsApp group, your Facebook social circle. Please put forward over there so that we can come up with more and more sessions. Okay, the organization can afford to spend. Okay, friends, so let's start with this question. Yeah, try for this one. Should not take more than 30 seconds for you to answer this. It's a 30-second question. Quickly, chalo. Okay, guys, what's the answer for this question? See, in such question, of course, we need to find out the present ages. Okay, we need to find out the present ages, by the way. So 4 years ago, right? So let's take in 2016. In 2016, the ages were 13x and 9x, right? Option C. Okay, let's check. 8 years now, matlab in 2028. In 2028. So can I say that each of their ages must have increased by 12 years? So, and this ratio has become 4 by 3, correct? So now cross multiply, so you'll get 39x plus 36 is equal to 36x plus 48. And if you solve this thing, you will get x as 4. Once you have got x as 4, so of course this difference was 4x. No, एक second. You need to find out the present ages. Can I say the present ages are the difference of the present ages? Acha, guys, difference will remain same. It will remain 4x, isn't that? Earlier also it was 4x, now also it's 4x. So the difference will remain 4x. That is 4 into 4, 16 years. That's the answer. So you don't need to do it 13x plus 4, 9x plus 4, because 13x and 9x were the ages 4 years back, but the difference will remain same. अब 4 साल पहले देखो या 8 साल बाद में देखो, the difference will remain same. Okay, so answer should be 16 years. Okay guys, so let's go ahead with this one. One more question. Yeah, try for this quickly. Chalo. Tell me the answer. Acha, let's do one thing, guys. Do not use pen and paper for this question. Can you do it without pen and paper? Everyone, put your pen paper aside and solve this question and type straight away answer in the chat box. So this is how you can increase the speed of your calculation quickly. So please do it, guys, and tell me the answer. Yeah, so what's your answer, guys? Must be galat. Please try it once again. It's not July. No, guys. Yeah, September is correct. Everyone, it should be September, isn't that? Let's understand this. Okay, let's understand, guys. Fine. See, there are two people, Anil and Dheeraj. Just to explain, I'm writing it here. And Anil started with some amount, say X. Dheeraj became the partner, contributing 3 times the amount, that is 3x. Okay, now months. So Anil invested for 12 months and both of them are getting equal profit. Half kiya, matlab they are getting equal profit. So there, this product should be same. So can I say this is 3 times? So this should be 1/3. So straight away you can make out that he must have invested only for 4 months. So 4 months means September, October, November and December. Matlab he must have started in September, 1st of September. Have you all understood this, everyone? Yeah, show me a thumbs up if you have understood this part. So this is a simple question of partnership, right? And that's why I said you should be able to quickly figure out 30 seconds is what you should take to solve such questions, right? Okay, fine. So let's try for this one. This is also a good question. Yeah. And guys, do not forget to press the like button. So quickly press the like button. We need as many likes as possible for those videos. So press the like button, everyone. Hi Bharat. Bharat, are you attending for the first time? Okay. So the work done by a man, a woman and a child are in the ratio 3:2:1. Man, women, child. Guys, you can assume it this way, okay, man does 3 unit work, woman does 2 unit work and child does 1 unit work. Okay. And there are 20 men, 30 women and 36 children. So 20 men. So I can say this is, I'm taking this as work. And this is number of men, women and this children. So 20, 30 and 36. Okay. And their weekly wages amount to 780. Matlab total for this work, okay, in 1 week. The organization pays 780 rupees. Okay, now let's quickly understand how much work are they doing? How many units of work? Total work. So यहाँ पे let me take units. So how much total work are they doing in 1 week? In 1 week. So can I say this is 60 plus this is 60 plus this is 36. So 120 plus 36, 156. So 156 in 156 unit. Can I say for 156 unit of work, they are being paid 780? Yes or no, guys? In fact, if you check 156 FISA 780. So can I say 1 unit of work, they should be paid 5 rupees. You can also think it that way. But here, let's not make it so complicated. Let's go ahead. Now, what's the question? What will be the wages of 15 men, 21 women and 30 children for 2 weeks? Everyone. Okay, so this is what we need to find out. So if you want, you can calculate 1 unit per week. The charges will be rupees 5. Because this is 780 per week. This is 156 unit per week. So 1 unit per week, the charges will be rupees 5. So now we can calculate the total units of work done by this one per week, and we can multiply by 2 weeks, we can get the answer, right? So let me do it once again over here. So this values will be changed. Okay, this value will be changed now. So here this will come out to be 15, 21 and 30, correct? So this is 45 plus 42 plus 30. So what is this? 45 plus 42, it's 87 plus 30, 117 units. Okay, so 117 units work for 1 week. What will be the cost? Or I can write down for 1 week, 117 unit cost will be 117 into 5. So can I say for 2 weeks, it should be 117 into 10. So this is the answer, 1170. Option C, correct. Of course, it could have been done quickly. It's just that you had to multiply the numbers, guys. We see what we did in this question. We calculated total number of units work done by this man, women and children in first case per week. So that came out to be 156 unit per week, for which they are being paid 780. So I can say for 1 unit per week, 1 unit work per week, they should be paid 5 rupees. So what will be the work in second case? 117 unit, right, per week. So 5 rupees. So 2 weeks, 10 rupees. So 117 into 10, it's this one. Are you getting this point? Yep, everyone. So show me a thumbs up quickly if you have understood this, so that we can go to the next question. Fine. Try for this one. Chalo. A is proportional to B, B is inversely proportional to C, and C is proportional to the square of D, and D is directly proportional to the cube root of E. Assuming positive integers, if A increases, then E will. Okay, fine. So this variables, A is proportional to B, B is inversely proportional to C. So can I say A is also inversely proportional to C? Because B is inversely proportional to C, so A is also inversely proportional to C. C is proportional to the square of D, and C is proportional to the square of D. So I'll say A is inversely proportional to the square of D, and D is directly proportional to the cube root of E. D is directly proportional to the cube root of E. So this is cube root. Can I say cube root means nothing but 1/3 power? So 1/3. So instead of D, you can replace E raised to 1/3. So you will get A is inversely proportional to 2/3 power of E, right, guys? Can I say basically, and all of these are positive integers. Positive integers means you can take 1, 2, 3 and all, right? So if this becomes double, what will this value become, right? So this is how you can check, and you will realize it will decrease for sure, because there is an inverse proportional relation, isn't that? There is an inverse proportional relation. So if I make this one 4 times, if this gets multiplied by 4, this will get multiplied by 1/4 and uska 2/3 power. This is why, this is how this will get multiplied. But ultimately, can I say this is going to be some positive integer, so this is going to get reduced. Yeah, in SNAP, this is not a SNAP question, this is a different practice question that I have taken. But yes, in SNAP also they have asked such question. They have asked this question in a different way. You know, they have given this relation A to B, B to C, C to D, and so on and so forth, and then they have said you know, in SNAP there was a question like this. So there was 6 gears, something like this. Achha, gears are looks different. So gears are like this, by the way. You know, it has grooves. So these are the gears. and there are 6 gears like this, and they are just connected to each other like this, and there is one more gear over here, one more gear over here, one more gear over here. Okay, when this starts rotating in clockwise direction, what will be the direction of this gear? What will be the direction of this gear? So when this starts rotating in clockwise, this will become anti-clockwise, so this will become clockwise, so this will become anti-clockwise, so this will become clockwise. But if there is another gear over here, suppose if I put it this way, if there is another gear, right? So see what will happen, this will start moving in clockwise, and this will also start moving clockwise, so it will lock this one. So you are given this kind of question, the options were clockwise, anti-clockwise, lock. It will get lock. They give you this kind of options also, lock. If these two gears are attached to either, they'll not be able to move, guys. So I mean, yes, just to give you an example, they give you this kind of increase decrease relationship question. It can be proportionality, it can be through some image, and so on and so forth. So I hope all of you have understood, guys. Fine. Now try for this one. Last question of the day of this practice session. Please try for this. So guys, our objective is to keep practicing different questions every day. So every day we want to practice different set of questions. Okay. And guys, once again, I have a sincere request, okay, please share this complete series with your friends so that we get more views on this video, so that I can continue. Otherwise, we have just 710 viewers. So as you understand, this is like Unacademy is teaching completely free, but for that we required certain viewers. So I request all of you to spread it as strongly as possible. You 7 people can make it reach to 70 people. Okay. So yeah, it's an appeal because otherwise I'll have to stop this series from next week. I can't take sessions only if there are 5-6 students, guys. So let's together, if you want to learn, you can do it for yourself. Ask your friends and ask them to share it with their friends. So suddenly we'll have 50 viewers. Okay, show me a thumbs up. Can I expect some support from you guys? Show me a thumbs up. Yeah, we need to reach out to at least 50 people. There should be 50 live viewers. Great. And the only way it is by sharing. I mean, you get some video on your this one, a funny video or something, so you quickly share it with your friends. Same way, you just post it in general. Of course, if you share this one with your friend, so they'll say, what is this? I'm not preparing for CAT. Right? So we don't want to force it, but then you can tell them, okay, please spread it to as many people as possible. So we want to get it spread to north, south, east, west, and of course in the heart of the country. In fact, heart of the country is different than center of the country. I'm sorry. Sure. Fine, guys. So please quickly solve this question. And yeah, one more thing, guys. Also attend my sessions regularly from 5 to 6 on Unacademy platform. Okay, so do it, guys. Even if you haven't attended earlier session, just come and switch on your mobile and check, watch that particular session. You will understand few things. Even if you are not doing geometry right now, but still it's a good idea. Okay. Achha, just one more thing, guys. Tell me one thing. In the next week, if I conduct geometry on YouTube, because many of you have attended geometry sessions over there on Unacademy platform. So if I conduct once again over here on YouTube, and same way you have attended modern math sessions over here, so if I conduct over there on Unacademy, will you be attending it second time? Will you be attending it second time? Yes or no? Just type it in the comment box. I want to understand, because see, you are regular students, so I want to understand from your end. Yes or no? Type yes or no. if you'll attend in next week both on Unacademy, the topics that we covered in 9 p.m. in this week, that is modern maths. I'm planning to start modern maths over there at 5 p.m. and geometry we are completing over there. So I'm planning to start geometry over here. Arithmetic, okay. The arithmetic is conducted by another faculty at 7 p.m. So why don't you attend that session? Attend 7 p.m. session. He is doing arithmetic. I did it for number system also, but it depends on person to person. It is for better grasp on the topic. Absolutely. See, this is what I'm saying. See, every day, I mean, in 7 days, we are almost completing one module. There are only 5 modules in quant section: numbers, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and modern maths. So if you have done, say, modern maths over here, if you are attending that once again over there, of course I can't keep the exactly the same question, so I sometimes change almost 40% of the questions will be different over there. I don't run the same questions, so it will be a revision for you, as well as you will get practice more questions. So after two once you have attended it twice, it will become very pakka, isn't that? What about others? Guys, you didn't mention. So Dhriti, Diya, Akash, Robin said yes. Okay, fine. Varshini, all of you, just share your views. Will you attend it second time? Bharat, right. Bharat is coming for the first time. So I'm sure everything is new for Bharat and few other students. Even Dhriti, I don't think Dhriti has attended my session. Diya is also not attending the evening session, I believe. Diya, are you attending evening sessions? Fine, guys. So let's solve this question. Okay, I'll soon do arithmetic. Give me a week's time. So after next week, I'll plan arithmetic for sure, because arithmetic is very important. So, okay, arithmetic is very important. So I'm definitely going to start complete arithmetic, and we are going to do it 2 times. Okay. So do it as it occurs on Unacademy and this one, right? Okay, so you meant to say, Akash, we should repeat the session, right? You're okay with that? So let's quickly finish this question now. A book. Let me solve this question. A book having pages between 4,000 and 5,000 is divided into 4 parts, each part being divided into chapters. The total number of pages in each of the 4 parts is same. Okay, so there are 4 parts: P1, P2, P3, and P4. And then further, each part has chapters. The ratio of the chapter across so the total number of pages in each of the 4 parts is same. So these are the chapters and these are the pages. Guys, please understand, pages are same in all 4 parts, and the ratio of chapters across all the parts is 6:5:10:14. This is the ratio of chapters. So can I say ratio of pages should be, because ultimately this product we want to keep same. Okay, let me just write it this way. The number of chapters in the 4th part is 70. So there are 70 chapters over here. So can I say this should be 50? It's getting multiplied by 5. This should be 25. This is 30. Okay. And what is the total number of pages in the book? Right. Now, so these are the what is this? These are the chapters. Total number of chapters. Now, pages per chapter. Okay. The total number of pages in each of the 4 parts is same. So, matlab this, and this is same. So, what is the total number of pages in the book? Okay. So, guys, by what number should I multiply this one, and this one, and this one, and this one? Right? By what number should I multiply? So, guys, I want to keep it same, na? So, I'll have to multiply by their inverse. So, here the ratio is 6:5. 6 is to 5 is to 10 is to 14. So the ratio of chapters should be 1 by 6 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 10 is to 1 by 14, right? So what is 1 by 6 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 10 is to 1 by 14, guys? So I'll have to take LCM of these numbers, right? So it will come out to be 210. Let me multiply this one by 210. So what will I get over here? I'll get this one as 35, this one will be 42, this one will be 21, and this one will be 15. So I'll get ratio of the pages as this one. I'll get ratio of the pages as this one. Uh, 35 is to 42 is to 21 is to 15. Okay, this is becoming slightly complicated, I believe. So now what is this value? 30 into 35, guys, it will come out to be something. Then 25 into 42, then 50 into 21. All of this should be same if you check. So 35 into 30, it will come out to be 1050. Yes or no? So all of this will come out to be 1050. Correct? Yeah. So that's the answer. So total will come out to be 4200. Guys, this is the answer. 4200 is the answer. Check karo, dekho. LCM, right? 4200 is the answer. See, please understand. Let's understand it this way. Speed and time. Suppose distance is same. Distance for two different journeys are same. If the ratio of speed is 3 journeys le lete. Ratio of speed for 3 different journeys 2 is to 3 is to 4. Distances are same. So time taken will be 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. Please don't write it directly reverse like 4 is to 3 is to 2. That's wrong. So this will come out to be 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So this will come out to be 6 is to 4 is to 3. This will be the ratio. So exactly the same logic is being applied over here. Now if I multiply the speed into time, I'll get the same distance 12. I'll get the same distance 12 over here. I'll get the same distance 12 over here. So this is the concept that we applied even in this question. Guys, have you all understood this? Fine. Okay, so let's continue at 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock I'm going to again continue with the geometry. So please be there at 5 p.m. right? And before we end the session, guys, just want to show you this thing, what all do you get as part of subscription. So if you're new to this platform, quickly go for the subscription of Unacademy. You will get mock test series, you will get leaderboard, and you will also get interaction with me, personal interaction, right? And what you need to do is you need to download this Unacademy learning app. Then once you have installed that, you will find a plus, and in that select the goal as CAT, and then click on the get subscription. You will see this subscription plan. If you want, you can go for this 3 months plan so that you can try that. Of course, if you are rest assured, if you are sure about our platform, if you really like it, go for this 12 months plan. Okay, so you will get various pricings over there. And if you apply this my referral code, which is SHAH10, once again, remember this code, so you will get this 10% waiver. You can also share it with your friends if they are planning to go for that. So quickly note down this code. Once you have downloaded the app, once you go for subscription, apply this code. My name is Ronak Shah, and these are the other popular courses of Unacademy. So you can ask your friends about Unacademy also, so that they can also be benefited. On Unacademy learning app, you can attend my free sessions, also my free special classes. You can search me by the name Ronak Kumar Shah, right? And click on the follow button. So you'll do it. In case if you're not able to find me there, you can quickly note down my IDs. So these are my IDs. It's mentioned in the footer of every slide. So you can connect to me through Telegram. Telegram is a better option, Ronak_live, and you can ping me whatever support you need. I'll help you out. In case if you go for subscription also, please let me know, okay sir, I have taken the subscription with your referral code, so I'll help you out for the remaining steps. Great guys, so that's it for today. Keep learning, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also be part of our Telegram channel. That's it for today.